Along with the Element IQ system in the smart oven, the user interface was our main focus, and it's been clear from feedback since we've released it that people really get the fact that they basically just have to turn the dial, select a function and press start, and the oven's doing everything for them.
It's the way that the interface works so that it's incredibly easy. There's so many ways that they can use it, but we don't want them to have to go through a complex interface to figure out, how do I set this to perform the different tasks. We pretty soon started to realise that there were some ovens that did certain things really well. There was really not any one oven that did everything well. So we're finding people are starting to do as many tasks as they can in the smart oven because it heats up faster, it's easy to use, it's quicker. They just dial up one of the settings with a simple dial, and then the oven makes the recommendations for them.
Element IQ is quite an innovation, and what it does is it changes the way the elements work in an oven. Traditionally, elements just turn on and off. What we've done is we've worked out a way with electronics and by adding a fifth element to customise the heat inside the oven to your cooking task.
We can go from 0 watts up to full wattage in top or bottom. We can mix between the different elements, switch them on and off in a gentle and intelligent way.
Ease of use would be our #1 criteria, I think, that and performance, but there's no point in us developing a very smart product where someone just can't use the technology.
People are writing back in and explaining, quite excitedly about the product. They love it, and this is how I use it. This is how an oven should work, and I love using this. And I think that word of mouth will probably spread, and people will start to see that benefit.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.